Hi, it's Kim from Affordably Crafty, and today I am at the Swansea, Mass. Dollar Tree with some great finds on yarn, including a new colorway and a very high-end yarn that I have not seen yet. If you're new here, welcome. My name's Kim, and my channel is all about teaching you how to stretch your craft dollar and be affordably crafty. Please like, share, and subscribe. Also follow me on Instagram and join my Facebook group where I post all of my steals, deals, and freebies I find in my travels in the crafting world. So this Dollar Tree has restocked the hooks. They have some just yarn worsted, terracotta, oh, soft gold. I haven't seen this one before. Soft gold and the just yarn worsted. They have some of that embroidery thread. It's 5 count, 8mm each, I believe. They have some of the acrylic crafted square. Oh, it's just tweed. Or just yarn. Oh, they got the Just Maker's twine back in stock. I haven't seen this on Dollar Tree in a while. This is from Premier Yarn, 69 yards, 85% cotton, 15% polyester. This is the color fuchsia and white.
I don't know, whatever they translate, but they won't give it to
Passion fruit and white.
I don't know. I'm upset. I don't know. Look at that. Yeah.
Yellow and white. Peaches and white. Black and white. There's 2 different color pinks. This one is pastel pink and white. What else we got about this one? Lime and white. And this one. Burgundy and white. I think that's all the colors they have here. I'll just go down those real quick. So this is the Premier Just Maker's twine. These are the colors that they have. Let me know if you guys have used these and what you think. Of this stuff. Okay, then they have, ooh, they have tweed yarn here. Same color as last time, rust tweed. They have some cotton, but it's all like the red and blue stuff. And then, ooh, get excited. So they have a butt ton of Serenity sock yarn here if anybody's looking for that. Stuff I hauled before, that's $5 plus on the Premier website. Same colorway. This is 230 yards. 50% superwash, merino wool, 25% ram made from bamboo, 25% nylon. 1 superfine. Want a superfine make some socks. Chili. That's the color I have at home. Oh, what else we got? Pink. Showed that yesterday. Ooh, look at this. Looky. They have Premier Serenity Chunky here too. They did not have this last time I came here. So there's hope, folks, if your place didn't get it. This is 7 C's. It's 109 yards.
I tried finding it. The girl told me it'd be over here, hon.
A bulky 5. And yep, that's the color 7C. You too. Let's see what else is back here. You just gotta dig. You might find something weird. What's that back there? Nope. How about that? Nope. Okay, they have Rigoletto. I always check behind that though, because I found it's a popular place to hide good stuff. Because nobody wants this. Some Premier Just yarn. This is yellow, terracotta, navy blue. Oh, okay, this store has a bunch of the Just Chenille. Making sure there's nothing weird back there. A bunch of the gray. Like, look at all that sock yarn. Hello. How are you doing? There's a lot of you. Oh, Okay, they also have this one from yesterday, chunky in the color Berry Burst. I am currently making a cardigan for my son out of this one. It's working out very nice. I'd highly suggest this yarn. Same specs as the blue one. Let's see what else we can find here. Ooh. Well, here's one I haven't seen before. The different color of the chunky. It's got whites, grays, kind of a dark pink and a purple. This is the color Pink Candy. That's really pretty. Anybody seen that before? What else we got back here? Anything? Up here we got, oh, those two colors look pretty together. Anything else under here? Nope. Oh, there's some tweed. That's the black tweed. I showed this in my last Dollar Tree video. I will link it down below. And greens and golds. Goldenrod, that's a pretty color. I don't know if that's a new one. Goldenrod. And the Just Yarn. So that is what we have here for yarn. And then there also was a crochet book I want to show you guys that I haven't seen before, which is this one. Striped crocheted blankets, 20 modern heirlooms to crochet. And the price, let's see what's going on inside. Patty, come back up. It's pretty. So this was, let's see how much it was originally. I hate that they cover the price. Anybody found this book yet at the Dollar Tree? Let me know down below in the comments if you found any other really cool crochet books lately. I was hoping I'd get that Lion Brand one I see people posting, but I haven't found it yet. Ooh, $21.99. Thanks for $1. You're awesome. Okay, that's what I got today on the yarn front. Please like, share, and subscribe so your friends can learn to be affordably crafty too. Have a creative day, everyone. Bye-bye.